Selling a business is a structured process that involves multiple stages, professional coordination, and careful planning. Many business owners believe that selling a company simply means finding a buyer and agreeing on a price. In reality, a successful business sale follows a series of well-defined steps designed to protect the seller, maintain confidentiality, and ensure the transaction is completed properly. The first stage of the process is preparation. Before a business is presented to potential buyers, the owner and advisors typically review financial records, operational structure, and overall readiness for sale. This preparation stage helps identify potential risks and ensures the business can be presented clearly to buyers. The next stage is valuation and positioning. Advisors analyze financial performance, industry conditions, growth potential, and risk factors to estimate a reasonable market value for the business. At the same time, marketing materials are prepared to explain the business opportunity to qualified buyers. After preparation, the business enters the buyer outreach and marketing phase. Qualified buyers are identified through professional networks, buyer databases, industry contacts, and investor groups. During this stage, confidentiality is carefully protected, and potential buyers are usually required to sign non-disclosure agreements before receiving detailed information. Once buyers review the opportunity, interested parties may submit initial offers or letters of intent. These proposals outline the potential purchase price and general structure of the transaction. After a letter of intent is accepted, the process moves into due diligence. During due diligence, the buyer carefully reviews financial records, contracts, operations, and legal documents to confirm the information presented earlier. This stage is often the most detailed and time-intensive part of the transaction. If due diligence proceeds successfully, the transaction moves toward final negotiation and closing. Legal documents are finalized, financing is arranged, and ownership of the business is formally transferred. Understanding this structured process helps business owners prepare for the journey ahead. A well-organized transaction process not only improves efficiency, but also increases buyer confidence and reduces the risk of unexpected complications. EIN Business Brokers. We represent you in business sales and acquisitions. Confidential, structured, executed.